Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
And welcome to this brand new series where we'll be covering ECMAScript features released in the year 2023 and 2024. Now, the first one that we'll be covering in this is the group by. Now, array grouping is the new feature of JavaScript or ECMAScript, which splits an array or, in general, an iterable into smaller subarrays. Grouping is different than other JavaScript array methods. It's not part of the array prototype, but a static method. So here you can see we have this array defined, and what we are doing is on the object class, we are making use of the GroupBy method. Here we are passing the array and then the callback function. Now here we are saying num, and then we are checking whether the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. If that's the case, then we're calling that number as even, and if it's not, then we're calling it as odd. And then we are printing the result over here. You can see that the result is shown over here, even, which consists of two numbers, 2 and 4, and then odd, which consists of 3 items, 1, 3, and 5. Now, as mentioned, the group by can be used not only on arrays, but anything that's iterable. Now, in order to find whether an item is iterable or not, or an object is iterable or not, what we can do is we can make use of the symbol.iterable. So here, if I go ahead and execute this, so here we have the array, and then we are calling symbol.iterator. And if that's the case, here you will notice that it says iterable. Now, if I go ahead and create one people array, something which looks like this. So here we can see that this particular people object has 3 attributes: name, specialization, and active. Now, if I want to group by, let's say, specialization, the way I can do it is like this. So here again, you can see we are making use of the array or the iterable over here. So people, and then we have this callback. So here I'm passing the item. Based on that, I can access any of the attributes like name, specialization, or active. So here we are doing specialization. Now, if you want to target any specific attribute directly, you can do that as well. And that is something that we can do over here. So instead of passing the item, we are now passing a specific attribute, which is part of this iterable. And then we are simply grouping it based on that using Object.groupBy. So now if I save this, you'll notice that here we have web development, cybersecurity, DevOps, machine, and under each of these specializations, we have the people coming up with their name and specialization. So if I expand this, you can see over here, active, name, and specialization coming up. So this is on the people object. Now you can also do the same on, let's say, a set. So to define a set, you can just name this particular iterable as set. So here we're calling people set. And now if I go ahead and just pass people set instead of people array, it is still going to give me the same thing. So here I have some syntax error. Let's resolve that first and save this. And there we go. So here you can see the output is coming up exactly the same, whether we are doing arrays or we are doing set, because as I mentioned earlier, anything which is iterable, we can make use of Object.groupBy on that. Now, continuing with this, we can also do custom iterables. So we can also apply GroupBy on custom iterables. So here, now I have created this people generator with the same set of data. Instead of, set or array, it's a custom iterable. And I can just go ahead and pass this people generator instead of people set, and I'll get the exact same result which I got for the array as well as for set. So here, let's save this, and there we go. This time around, we are getting the same result. So as you can see over here, we can make use of the group by on anything that is iterable, and to check whether a particular object supports this or not, we can make use of symbol.iterator, as you can see over here, and then you can make use of the object.groupBy on that particular object.